Hello everyone, hope you guys are doing great. Today I am here speaking a few words on how to become the master of your own situation. When you can't control what's happening surrounding you, challenge yourself to control the way you respond to what's happening. That's where your power is. In life, we go through many ups and downs, but the situation is good or bad is totally depend on our imagination or the way how you respond. Why do we always cry on our situation which we think as bad? In our life, there are no instances or no pain that we cannot endure as a human being. Every living being on this planet Earth has to undergo suffering as well as joy. And we as a human being have received the grace to think what we want actually to happen. Even so, as I told in my previous video, we are the masters. We should already think that we received certain things before we receive in our hands. It is all depending on our mind. I am a nurse by profession and very recently moved here just 2 years ago. But when I came in this country, I was thinking it will be very easy for me to get the nursing license in Canada and life will be very smooth as I am thinking. I will come here, I will find a suitable job for me and I will buy a house, I will settle my family. These are the thoughts that was going through from my mind, in my mind rather. If in an average person, everybody thinks like this, right? We all love to see ourselves in a very good position without any pain or without any crankiness in our life, even so. But to be honest, I should tell you that it was not that way, the way I thought it should be. Rather, I had to undergo many difficult situations after coming here. I was not getting my license as I thought it would be very easy. I had to show the nursing body many competencies that I am capable of from the scratch. I had to do 3 university courses. At that time, I had thought in my mind, oh my God, why am I doing all these things when I have got lots of experiences in my hand and when I have studied from such a nice college? Why am I undergoing everything from the scratch? All these thoughts were going through from my mind too. But at that time, I had decided in my mind that whatever the situation would be, I have reached in this country. So I have to take life as it comes to me. This I had taken as an opportunity to refine myself personally. On one side, I was doing my courses to meet my competency gaps, and on the other side, I was trying to focus on my readings, on my writings, and now you can see as an evidence on my YouTube channel. So what I want to deliver you today is that in any situation, when we think that it is bad, do not sit and cry. Do not think why this has happened to me. Everybody is going through some good or bad situations in their life. It totally depends on us how we take these situations. We should become the master of our own situation. When the situations are bad, we come to know, or rather we realize many things that's happening around us are fake. We come to know many people, we come to know many relationships. So my advice to you is that always embrace the bad situations. The more you overcome the challenges, you get the opportunity to refine yourself. To end this video, I want to deliver you a short message which goes like this. A person of wisdom finds opportunities in every challenges he overcomes. So, friends, be a master of your own situation and let experiences guide you to guide others. Kindly like and subscribe my channel. Thank you so much.